The people, they want to know meniscus stem cells. Well, by the end of this video, you are going to know. Okay, guys, when you're looking into using regenerative medicine to positively impact your meniscus, we have to look at the specific injury objectively first and foremost. So let's talk about that. The meniscus has 3 regions. So there's the outermost region. This is known as the red zone. And then you go in a little bit more, there's a region called the red-white zone. And then the innermost region of the meniscus is called the white zone. Why they've categorized this is because the deeper you go, the poorer the blood flow to the structure, okay? Now let me explain why this matters. In the red zone, if you have an injury, the tear goes there, you can expect to have great results after using stem cells. This is because there's great blood flow to the red zone, and the stem cells can home into that area. They can, control inflammation. They can initiate healing responses in that micro environment. They can basically do their job. Now, you go in a little bit more to the red-white zone, and you're still going to have positive effects. Okay, the stem cells can still do their job as there is a positive blood flow to that part of the structure. Now, if your injury goes into the white zone, guys, it's time to be realistic. You're probably going to need surgery. That said, it doesn't mean that your chances are 0 of tissue regeneration. Okay, I run a RegenaMex clinic out of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and we've most certainly helped people that have had tears into the white zone. But the feedback from the doctor at this point, when you're in your confirmation meeting, the language will go like this. Hey, this might, delay surgery, but you're a poor candidate. Would you like to still go ahead with the treatment? Okay, there's people that, are rational, logical, and they're like, yes, let's do the stem cells prior to me getting cut. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't in that situation, just to be frank. Okay, guys? If you guys are looking into getting your specifics classified about your meniscal tears, fill out a form on the website. One of our doctors are going to be looking through your file and somebody will be getting back to you in short order. Okay, so adios for now, RegenaMex.com.